Fruit Shuffle Memory Game.
Hello, little friends. Are you ready to play a fun game? It's called Find the Fruit. Let's see if you can match the fruit pairs. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we have 2 apples and 2 bananas. Can you remember where they are? Let's find out. Okay, can you find the apples? Let's give it a try. Great job. Can you find the other apple? Great job. You matched both apples. Remember, what fruits were behind these cards?
Bananas!
Yay, you remembered. Wow, now we have grapes, strawberries, and pears. Can you match them all? Where are the matching pears? Let's start with the grapes. Oops, that's a strawberry. Let's keep going. Yay, you found the grapes. Great job matching the grapes. Let's find those yummy pears. Here's a hint, friends. Last 2 fruits, can you recall?
Strawberries!
Wow, you're a superstar. Strawberries are correct. You did an amazing job, little fruit matcher. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games. See you next time. Follow us for more fun videos.